Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different because a lot of you have been on my DM asking me to show you how to create a PayPal account in Nigeria, Ghana, or any part of Africa at all. So I found this video on YouTube, okay? And so we are going to watch it together. The reason I'm reacting to this particular video is because I'm not there. I can't show you how to create a PayPal account unless I use VPN to do it. So this person claimed that it works for him and he's in Nigeria. So we're going to see the video. Maybe you have seen the video already on YouTube or not, but I'm showing you today so that we watch it step by step. It's 7 minutes long. Then you go and create your own PayPal account and then update me in the comment section if it works. So please do like this video, comment and share. A lot of you are struggling to sign up on PayPal because of restrictions. But again, PayPal has partnered with a company called Pagan to allow Nigerians to create PayPal accounts. So there's no VPN, there's no proxy whatsoever. You can do this from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. I've actually seen a couple of people do it. I watch videos as well. I watch other people's videos. So let's go there.
Here is what changed. PayPal officially partnered with Pega, a licensed Nigeria fintech. This is not a hack. This is not my guy connected me. This is a legal official partnership. That bridge right there is what's finally letting African plug into the global payment system properly. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search Pega, P-A-G-A. Download the official app, blue check mark, verify listing, not the one someone sent you on WhatsApp. That is how people get scammed. Get the real one. Step 3. Sign up and do your KYC. Open Pega. Sign up with your phone number. They send you an OTP. Enter it. Straightforward. Now, here is where you have to be serious. KYC. They need your NIN, your national ID number. Fill everything in properly because PayPal will not connect to an unverified Pega account. Skip this step carelessly and the whole thing collapses later. It usually clears in a few minutes, so just do it right. Once you are inside Pega, look top right, tap NG account. 3 options show: NGN account, US dollar account, and PayPal account. Tap PayPal account. Tap Connect PayPal. Let it load. If you already have a Nigerian PayPal account, just log in. If you don't, which is most of us, tap Sign Up. This is the step I warned you about from the beginning. The form loads, and this is where the magic happens. Your name, your location, your details are already fit in. Pega passes your verified information straight to PayPal automatically. All you need to do is enter your date of birth. Tap Next, then a security check. Tap I am human. PayPal sends you an OTP. Enter it.
Okay, let's pause there. I hope you guys are following. So first of all, you need to go to Play Store or your whatever store you're using. You download Pega. Once Pega is downloaded on your phone, you sign up. After you sign up, you then sign up on PayPal. So it requires you to fill in your NIN and KYC something. That KYC will then autofill your information once you're signing up on PayPal. That's what I understood there. So you guys can, let me know in the comments.
One more check. Done. But listen, some people rush this part and type something that doesn't match their NIN. PayPal flags the account immediately before it even opens properly. So slow down. Match everything exactly to your NIN. Everything. Yes. You will see a screen that says PayPal in partnership with Pega. That is your confirmation you are in the official flow, not a fake site, not a scam. Now, set up your profile. Enter your email. Create a strong password, not your birthday, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Something read that you will remember. Tick the box to accept PayPal terms. Tap agree and create account. Let it load, and boom, PayPal account created. Now, a screen appears asking you to connect your PayPal account back to Pega. Read the terms. If you are good with it, tap agree and connect. You will see account connecting in process. This is what allows you to withdraw PayPal money straight to your Nigeria bank account later. Don't skip it. This is the most key step in this entire process. Go to the inbox of the email you just used to register. There's an email from PayPal sitting there. Open it. Tap confirm email address. Without doing this, your account stays restricted. You can't send, can't receive. Nothing works. You will just be on YouTube complaining that PayPal is not working, when really you just don't even check your inbox. Verify the email. Verify it. Jump back into Pega. Tap NGN account upright. Tap PayPal. Since your account now exists, just sign in with your email and password. Tap proceed. PayPal send one final OTP to confirm it's you. Enter it. Tap proceed. Let it load. Tap continue and look at that your PayPal live inside Pega. From Africa, you will see two buttons: top up and withdraw. Send, receive, and withdraw straight to your Nigeria bank. Fully working under 5 minutes. Last thing, and this matters more than the setup itself. 1. Never use it for anything fraudulent. PayPal system catches it fast, and when they ban you, there's no big appeal form. You are done permanently. 2. Add a description to every transaction. Freelance writing, payments for design work. Red money makes PayPal nervous and triggers freezes. 3. Grow it slowly. Don't try to receive a massive first payment. Let the account age.
Okay, this video is becoming too long. You guys have seen it. You have to first of all sign up on Pega, connect it to PayPal. After that, one important thing, make sure you verify your email. They'll send you an OTP to your email. If you don't confirm your email, it will not work. Then after that, everything is set up. And he's also advising you that you should not move huge money because PayPal is so strict. They don't like fraudulent activities. Make sure that all the money coming in and going out of your account has a description like freelance, gifts, homework. Yeah, so that PayPal will not flag it, so that you will not be blocked for life. So I saw this video. I left it in my watch later folder for a very long time, but I said I need to share this because a lot of you are reaching out to me asking me to show you how to create a PayPal account. I cannot do it. I'm not there. Yeah, so this person is there and he showed step by step on how he achieved that. So you can also go to his channel and watch the video. Maybe you've watched it before. I'm just telling you that I've seen a couple of other people that used the same process and it worked. I always watch other people's videos to learn one or two. If I were in Nigeria, I would have followed these steps, these guidelines to also create my own account. But nah, just do it. Apart from that, the only other way you can get a PayPal account is by letting someone abroad do it for you. That's someone you trust. So that's it from me. I said, let me share this one today with you guys. I don't know who needs to see this. In fact, a lot of you that are sending me messages to show you, to teach you how to create a PayPal account. You don't need a VPN. You don't need to pay for proxy, nothing. Just go and follow these steps and create your account. But please come back to this comment section and let us know if it worked for you. We are building a community of amazing people. We are lifting each other up. So we need to also help each other. If it works for you, let me know in the comment so that it will help others who are skeptical. Some people are doubting Thomases. They would prefer to, keep doubting and doubting while others are moving ahead. Anyways, please do let me know in the comment. But please like, comment, and share this video with anyone who is interested in creating a PayPal account from Nigeria or Africa. And let's give it a try and see if it works. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.